Post your content. Did you hear me? Post it. And if you don't have any content, go create it right now. Lights work. I don't care if it's the middle of the night. Go create that content. What are you doing anyways? Just scrolling? Come on. Get it together. It's your time. It's your moment. Are you ready for your platform? Are you ready for all of those opportunities that you want?
Hello guys, Ninjani. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, hi, welcome. Ikamalam dong Azana Jezile, and I'd really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It is a good time here, I promise. Also, please do turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. Lastly, we are finally monetized on the channel, so please don't skip ads. Speaking about ads, speaking about monetization, we have finally monetized on this channel, and I wanted to share with you guys how I got monetized. So if you're a small content creator, small YouTuber, and you're wondering how I got monetized, because it has been a struggle, okay, then this is the video for you. I finally got monetized after 2 years of being on YouTube. The first year of me being on YouTube, honestly, I would post ngalo maxesha when I felt like it. I was not consistent at all. I would post 1 video a month, or post 2 videos a month, or I didn't have a posting schedule basically. So I did not see that much growth and that much results on my first year of being on YouTube. And then 2021, I made a decision beginning of the year that I'm gonna post at least 1 video a week. I could commit to posting at least 1 video a week, each and every single week, and for the most part I did stick to that, and that is when I finally reached 1,000 subscribers on my channel. So my goal was 2 videos a week, but I don't want to put pressure on myself. 1 video a week was what I could commit to. So if you're a small content creator and you want to grow on the platform, I highly advise that you should at least commit to 1 video a week without fail, and I promise you, you will see results. I'm doing this particular video right now because as a small creator myself, I have watched so many of these videos. It is not even funny. I have watched thousands of these videos, and one tip that I would always hear is that you need to be consistent, and that would annoy me so much because according to me, then what are you talking about? Of course I'm consistent and I'm not seeing any results. I used to roll my eyes if I would watch these kind of videos and someone would say you need to be consistent. Honestly, I would get so annoyed and I would roll my eyes like, really? Is that it? Because we all watch these videos looking for a secret formula on how to grow on the platform. I don't want to burst your bubble. I don't want to burst your bubble, but I want to give you a challenge. As a small creator, I challenge you for 3 months to post 1 video a week. Commit to posting 1 video a week for 3 months, and I promise you, you will see the result. That is the first change that I've made on my channel, and that is when I saw the shift. The subscribers started coming in, the views started coming in. It was something that was gradual. It's not going to happen overnight. We're not all going to have the same story. We're not going to blow up overnight. Well, personally, that is not my story. The next tip that I'm going to give you guys is that create content that you enjoy. Do not niche down. As a small creator, you are doing yourself an injustice when you are niching down. Do not niche down. Create all types of content that you want. If you enjoy doing makeup, do makeup. do vlogs, do fitness videos, do every single thing that you enjoy. As a person, you have so many different layers. Show all of your layers. Do not restrict yourself. This is not the point where you restrict yourself. You have so many interests. Explore all of those interests and just put them out on your platform. The niche will come organically based on the content that you're creating. Then once you see that certain videos are performing better than other videos, that is when you're going to focus on those specific kinds of content. But do not make the mistake of niching down. Last year I sat down with myself and I asked myself, okay, what content am I going to create, you know? And last year I was going through what I called my makoti journey. I just got married last year, so I was wearing my makoti attire for like, I want to say 6 months. And I sat down, I was like, okay, what does this mean for my channel? And at first I was really nervous because I'm gonna come on here, I'm wearing a doek, and I wasn't seeing anyone doing that. So I told myself, you know what, forget the niches, forget everything, just share your story, just share your experiences. And those videos, honestly, they did quite well because I realized that there are other people that are going through the same experiences that I am. So don't think too much about YouTube. That just share whatever it is that you're going through. You would be so surprised that other people are going through the same things that you are going through. So do not be afraid to share your journey, whatever it is. If you are feeling frustrated as a YouTuber, you don't have equipment, you don't have whatever, maybe speak about that, because there's other YouTubers out there that can relate to the very same thing that you are going through. So do not niche down, share your experiences. So guys, doing YouTube, it is not a walk in the park. It is not easy at all. It is so hard when you put out a video and put everything in that video, put so much effort in that one specific video, you put it out and you get 40 views, you get, well, 40 views could be a lot, you get like 5 views, you get so little views, right? That is the worst thing that can possibly happen to you as a creator. And let me tell you, it will keep on happening. The video that will go viral is the video that you least expected to. So my thing is, do not focus on the numbers, focus on your next video. If you're gonna focus on the numbers and think, this video didn't do well, it didn't do as well as I expected to, what is happening, I put in so much effort, honey, keep it pushing, keep it going. Don't focus on the numbers, focus on your next video. Ask yourself this question: how can I make my next video better? How can I make my next video better? Focus on that. Focus on the next video that you're gonna create. So if I'm putting out a video today, I'm putting out this video today, I'm commenting and doing all of that, but I'm not sitting and obsessing over the numbers and looking at the numbers every 2 minutes. That's not going to change how the video is performing. But what I can change is the next video that I put out. So don't focus on the numbers. Put that energy, put that stress towards your next video. That is something that has really helped me, because I used to do this as well. I used to sit and obsess over my numbers. There were times where I wanted to quit. There were times where I wanted to quit YouTube because I was not seeing the results. There were times where I would ask myself, what am I doing wrong? Why am I not growing? Should I quit YouTube? Maybe this is not for me. What is the point? Because I'm not seeing the growth. Don't focus on that. Focus on your next video and how you're gonna make that video better. Also guys, when it comes to numbers, if your video gets 40 views, right, imagine those views as actual people. Can you accommodate 40 people right now in your house. When you think about it like that, that's actually a lot of people. But in YouTube terms, 40 is like, it's like 4, it's equivalent to 4 people, right? No, look at it like this. If you were to host, you're saying the video is not doing well, you got 100 views. If you were to host 100 people in your house right now, can you even host 100 people in your house right now? That is how you need to look at it. Don't focus on the numbers, focus on your next video. The nice thing about being a small content creator and making this video is that I know all of these excuses that you guys make, because I've made every single one of those excuses myself. I don't have a camera, I don't have a ring light, I don't have a backdrop, I don't have this, I don't have that. Excuses, excuses, excuses. And I have made all of those excuses, right? At some point, when I first got to YouTube, I saved up some money, I got myself a camera, and my camera broke. My lens broke, so I didn't have a camera anymore. I got a ring light, my ring light broke, I didn't have a ring light anymore. And last year when I made the decision to post consistently, I was using my phone. Right now I'm using a window, I'm standing in front of the window, and that is how currently I'm shooting my videos. I don't have the most amazing background, but you know what, we all have to start somewhere. Work with what you have right now. Don't wait until you have a camera, don't wait until you have whatever. I reached 1,000 subscribers and I got monetized, and I'm using my phone and a window in front of me. That is all that you need. So don't make excuses. Start today. To prove what I'm talking about to you guys, I want you to go to your favorite YouTuber's channel right now. Go to their very first video that they put out on YouTube and look at their quality. Look at their lighting. That right there is proof that we all have to start somewhere. This is my start. Just work with what you have and start. You will get where you want to be, but for now, work with what you have. So focus on what you have control over. How many times can you post a week? That you do have control over. Being consistent, that you have control over. Doing research and staying on top of trends, that you do have control over. How are you going to make your content better each and every single time? That you do have control over. So don't focus on what you don't have control over. Actually focus on what you can control, because you focusing on the wrong things. Honestly, I get why people quit YouTube. That right there, that will make you quit YouTube, because you just feel like there's so many factors working against you. But focus on what you can control and work on your goals every single day. Set goals for yourself on YouTube. Work on those goals every single day. Having a goal in place will hold you accountable. Be patient. Don't listen to other people's stories and think that you will have the same story. All of our stories are going to be different. Your story is going to be different. So not all of us are going to blow up overnight. Put in the work and you will reach your goals. Also, you can comment your YouTube channel down below. I'd love to check your channels out. Yeah, let's also help each other down in the comment section, encourage each other, motivate each other. And yeah, I would like to hear what you guys have to say. That is pretty much it. And that is it, you guys, for this video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please comment down below. Let's encourage each other, let's help each other. This is not Bible. I'm a small creator myself, but I thought this video might benefit someone out there. let's chat below in the comment section. Let's encourage each other, let's share our channels, and let us all grow. The pie is bigger for everyone. Yeah, please comment, please like, please share. Most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. Do not skip them ads, and I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.